Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage not sending. Now, the first thing you're going to do is swipe down from the top right to get to your control center. An easy solution is just to toggle airplane mode on and disconnect from your Wi-Fi. And then after a few seconds, we're going to turn them both on. Turn the Wi-Fi on and disconnect from airplane mode. This will just reconnect to your Wi-Fi and your cell signal, and sometimes fixes the issue. It's as easy as that. But if that doesn't fix it, let's head into a web browser next. And first, let's just open up a web page and make sure your internet works. Keep in mind, iMessage is sent through your internet, not through your mobile carrier. So just load a website and see if it works. The next thing we're going to check to see is make sure that Apple itself is not down or the servers are not down. So we're going to type in Apple server status. There it is, Apple server status. And you can see here, support system status. Just tap on that and you'll be able to see available services. Let's open this up and you can see if I scroll down, we're looking for messages or iMessage. And right next to iMessage, it should say available in green. If it does say available, great. That is not the issue. Unfortunately, if it says it's unavailable or there's some issue, you just need to wait until Apple gets their act together and gets everything back up and running. Now, if your iMessage is still not sending, let's head into the settings app of your iPhone. Within the settings app, we can do several things to definitely get that fixed. So let's scroll down to the bottom. And at the bottom, we're going to tap on apps there. And now we'll get to the settings for your messages. So scroll down until you find messages on this list. There it is. There's messages. Just tap on where it says messages. Now, a lot of times your iMessage isn't working because there's some bug or glitch within iMessage itself, not necessarily the SMS text messages. So to fix that, all we need to do is get to where it says iMessage here, and let's toggle this off. And what you'll find is as soon as I turn it back on, it will say waiting for activation. So you'll be able to see waiting for activation, and it goes through the process of reactivating your iMessage within your Apple account. Check to see if it works at that point. If it still doesn't work, the next thing we can do is go to send and receive. Sometimes there's an issue with sending and receiving iMessages from your phone number. So what you can do is select an email address on this list, and you can see send and reply from an email address in addition to a phone number. Now, if you don't see an email address on here, all you need to do is go into your Apple account settings and add that email address to your account. Now, after you've done that, let's go back out here, back. At the very beginning of your settings, let's tap on General here towards the bottom. After you've done that, let's scroll down until we get to Transfer or Reset iPhone at the very bottom. Just tap on that. And then you can see here, Reset. You can choose to reset, but we're not going to reset all of your settings. We can just choose to reset your network settings. This helps to reinitiate all of your networks and essentially fix issues with the connectivity between iMessage and sending those messages. So hit Reset Network Settings, enter the passcode, and go through that process. If you go through all of these steps and it still doesn't work, let's try to do a hard reset on your iPhone or a hard reboot on your iPhone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So I'll show you how it works. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off, but I'm just going to keep holding even though it says that, and I'm going to wait till the entire iPhone screen goes black, just like that. But I'm going to keep holding it because I'm waiting for the Apple logo to appear. At that point, I can lift my finger up and you've done a hard reset on your iPhone, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.